In today's video, I'm going to teach you make a new canvas for your comic page. We'll walk through setting up a fresh page, adding a frame border, splitting it into panels, and working inside those panels with confidence. By the end, you'll have a clean professional layout ready for inking, lettering, and colors. Start by creating a new canvas for your comic page. Choose the size and resolution that match your print or web needs. For print, a high resolution is best, and it helps to enable rulers or guides so you can keep margins and safe areas consistent. Think about your gutters, which are the spaces between panels, and leave enough room so the page feels readable and balanced. Next, go to the Layer menu, choose New Layer, and select Frame Border. This adds a special frame border layer to your canvas. You'll see a panel border appear on the page. This border defines the area where your comic content will live and sets you up for clean, contained panels. To adjust the border, switch to the Object tool, click the frame border to reveal its handles and bounding box, drag the corners or edges to resize, and position the border so it sits comfortably within your page margins. A balanced frame border provides a strong foundation for the panel layout you're about to build. To split the page into panels, choose the Cut Frame Border tool, which you'll find grouped with the Frame tools. This tool lets you carve the frame into multiple panels with simple drags. Click and drag across the border in the direction you want the split. A clean horizontal drag creates rows, a vertical drag creates columns. The tool will automatically create the panel separators and keep the edges tidy. Continue dragging across the frame border to divide it into as many panels as you need. You can create symmetrical grids or more dynamic shapes by varying the direction and placement of your cuts. If you make a split you don't like, undo and try again until the rhythm of the page feels right. Use the Object tool to move or resize individual panels. Select a panel, then drag its edges to fine-tune the composition. Keep an eye on the gutters, making sure the spacing between panels stays consistent and readable. Now draw inside your panels. Each panel works like its own folder, so any layers you create while a panel is active will be neatly contained and clipped to that panel. Click a panel to activate it, then sketch, ink, or add tones. This structure keeps your artwork organized and prevents strokes from spilling outside the panel borders. That's it. You've created a new canvas, built a frame border, split it into panels, and set up a tidy professional workspace for your comic.